Welcome. In this quick exercise, we'll read a string and produce a new one where the first character is added to both the front and the back. It is a tiny but useful string manipulation that teaches substring, concatenation, and safe handling of short strings. Let's walk through the problem, the code, and a couple of examples. The task is straightforward. Grab the first character and sandwich the original string between two copies of it. Be sure the input length is at least 1, otherwise there is no first character to use. This is a common beginner string exercise that shows safe indexing and concatenation. Here's the code. You prompt the user, read the string, and check it's not null or empty. We extract the first character with substring 0 and 1 and build the result by concatenating s plus string plus s. This preserves the exact original string and simply adds the first character to both the ends. If you prefer, string in the array 0 to string works too. We validate the input to avoid exceptions. Then extract the first character and concatenate it with the original string on both sides. This keeps the code simple and robust. Note that substring 0 and 1 returns a string, so concatenation is straightforward. Try a few inputs. With a sentence, the first letter is duplicated at both ends. With W3 resource, you get WW3 resource W. And with a single character input like A, the result is AAA, which is expected since the first character is A and we placed it at both ends. While this particular manipulation is mostly educational, the underlying skills, which are safe indexing, validation, and concatenation, are used everywhere in text processing. Once you master these building blocks, you can create more advanced transforms or sanitize and decorate input for display. To wrap up, we've read a string, validated it, extracted the first character, and built the new string by putting the character at both ends. The solution is concise and safe for production code. Consider trimming input or handling null explicitly. Try adapting this and add the last character as well, or to repeat the first character multiple times as an extension. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.